Cart A of mass 2m is moving with velocity v to the right on a horizontal frictionless track as shown above, when it collides with cart B of mass m. Cart B is initially at rest, and the collision is perfectly elastic. Which of the following best describes the motion of the carts immediately after the collision? From conservation of momentum, we have that 2mv is equal to 2m VAF plus m VBF. Therefore, 2 VAF plus VBF is equal to 2v. Also, because the collision is elastic, the coefficient of restitution is 1. So VAF minus VBF over VBI minus VAI is equal to 1. Therefore, VAF minus VBF is equal to 0 minus V. By elimination, we have 3 VAF is equal to V. So VAF is 1/3 V. By substituting, we get VBF is equal to 2V minus 2/3 V, which is equal to 4/3 V. Since the two final velocities are positive, both cars are moving to the right, albeit with different velocities. The correct answer then is option E.